I've never been exposed like this before. I'm good at shutting you out. I've always had a way of keeping closed. Beating, hiding, I've been calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's too.
Hey guys, welcome. Today is on a Friday. I'm getting some vitamin C for my kids. Yeah, I just want to boost their immunity, so I passed by that chemistry and then I decided to get those three vitamin C for my kids. Yeah, and I got some fruits and now I'm on my way back home. It is in the evening, guys. Yeah, I'm just leaving from work, so I wanted them to have those vitamin C. I can see their health is not that good. Yeah, so I got them those some medicine so that they can just boost their immunity. So yeah, if you are new, my name is Adija. I'm a mom of three. I does content basically on homemaking. So I'm a Kenyan YouTuber based in Nairobi. Yeah, so remember to subscribe if you are new in my channel. Yeah, and I reached home and I want to share some grocery veggies that I got. I got tomatoes, I got avocados, oranges, viazi, that is waru, carrots, cabbage, and some greens that will take us like a week, you guys. Here, so I just did my weekly grocery all, you guys. Here, so I want to store them to their specific area. So that is how the tomatoes are not ripe. Well, I couldn't put them in the fridge, so I'll just put them for 2 days and then I will put them in the fridge. I'll usually take a lot of lemon water in this house. Yeah, and then you can see how I usually put them. So yeah, I'm putting them where I usually put them. Down there is where I usually put my veggies, because that place is very open, so they are going to have a fresh air. And it's the following day in the morning, you guys. You can see it's around 5:40 in the morning, guys. Yeah, I'm waking up this early. I want to clean the house as usual. I removed the curtains. So guys, I'm starting the following day vlog with cleaning the windows, you guys. It has been a while. Yeah, so my day bag came and she's cleaning the curtains outside there. I think I'm going to show you her doing cleaning in for my curtains and clothes, you guys. And because the curtains were removed, I decided to wipe off the dust from the windows and the door, you guys, because this is a cleaning that is done like once in a 3-month time. Yes, so I think today it's my day of general cleaning of my living room, you guys. Yeah, so I usually forget to clean the windows. Yeah, and I'm done. I just want to make those veggies I got yesterday, you guys. Yeah, so yeah, so for the veggies I have cansera, spinach, terere. I usually mix those kienyeji mbogas. Yeah, I don't just go with one variety. I take different varieties so that yeah, you can feel the taste of Africa. So in Kenya, this is mboga za kienyeji. Yeah, so if you're new, subscribe. And that is my nanny cleaning outside there, you guys. You can see that is my, not nanny, my day bag. Yeah, she came very early in the morning today, so she decided to start with curtains and then the clothes, you guys. Yeah, so that is how yeah, the vlog is just vlogging. And then after cutting the vegetables, the stalks I'm using to cut them for the chickens. Yeah, I don't throw them away. They boost chicken egg laying, guys. You can see the curtains. She washed the curtains first, so that before she finished cleaning the clothes, the curtains will be ready, and then I will return them to their specific areas. Yeah, I want to feed the chicken with those stalks for the... I've gotten them from those spinach. Yeah, I don't throw. I usually cut them for the chickens. It usually boosts egg laying, you guys. So yeah, this homemaking is all about my routines in my home. So I hope I'm motivating someone. Yeah, so it's time to wash the greens, you guys. Veggies, I usually clean them very thoroughly because it's rain season and a lot is there are so many aphids in those greens. So if you don't wash well, you are going to eat dirty things. So I usually clean it very well, and then I'm going to steam it and put in the fridge. And you guys, I got myself some my living room stuffs. Yeah, I got them from Decor Hub Kenya. Yeah, so I'm just opening, unboxing with you guys here. So just stay tuned till you see what I got. Yeah, it's some small living room makeover, but it's a step by step. I got myself those wall frames, you guys. It was affordable. One was around 500. She's in TikTok. They are calling themselves Deco Hub Kenya. And then I got myself that pot and the flower. It was around 1500. Yeah, I loved that white flower, you guys, for my living room table. I'm yet to purchase the deco book and that bead. I just want to have a beautiful something in my living room table. Yeah, I said when my baby goes to school, I'm going to decorate this house. And later on, let's unbox this. I got it from B&M collection. She's Betty Moeni in YouTube. I usually get my duvet covers from her, you guys. You can see how cute the duvet cover is. Yeah, it was around 1100, you guys. And after hanging the frames, you guys, you can see the way they are beautiful over there. I love those cool colors. I don't like shouting colors because my living room has different colors. And then you can see the living room flower. Sweet welcome, you guys. Hope you're enjoying. And later on, mosquitoes are many because it has rained, you guys. So I just want to go and hang that net in my bedroom, guys. I'd washed it long time ago, but right now it's time to use net because of our healthy. We don't want malaria. And then we served spaghetti with kamande for our lunch. So guys, hope you are enjoying and you'll subscribe to my channel. Leave a positive comment and tell me what you think about it. And now it's time to return the curtains. No more talking, just see what I did.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight,